Hi lovelies, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make a simple and perfect bralette cups for all sizes. So I'll be making use of this yarn by Yeye brand with a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot like so. Adjust it to make the loop smaller. Insert your crochet hook and yarn over. Pull through your loop, and that serves as your chain 1. Pull through your loop again to make a chain 2. Continue to do this till you have 19 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So I have 19 chains. I'll list out the number of chains you'll be making for all sizes at the end of this bra tutorial. So this bra cup is for size medium. Skip the first chain and move to the next chain right here and work half double crochet. Yarn over, move to the next stitch, pull through to make 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over to make 4 loops on your crochet hook, and then you reduce from 4 loops to 1. So half double crochets into all the stitches. Till you get to this point, till you get to the last stitch right here. In the last stitch, work 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, followed by the second half double crochet. Now chain 1, and in the same space you work another 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. So that makes it a total of 4. That makes it a total of 4 half double crochets. We have 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets. So this point right here where you have your chain 1 space, you place your stitch marker. Work your half double crochets in the lower stitches or the bottom stitches of your project right here. So move to the next stitch and you work only 1 half double crochets. Move to the next stitch, 1 half double crochets, 1 half double crochets. Continue working just 1 half double crochets till you get to the end of the round. So half double crochet in the last stitch right there, and this is what you should have for your first round. So for your second round, you turn over, you chain 1, and in your first stitch right here you work 1 half double crochets. Continue to work half double crochets all the way till you get to where your stitch marker is. So in this space where your stitch marker is, you work 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets in the same space. So you can go ahead now and remove your stitch marker so you can work your stitches in the space. So chain 1 and work 2 more half double crochets. So go ahead and place your stitch marker in your chain 1 space to mark the apex. That's your midpoint. So continue working 1 HDCs all the way till you get to the end. So I'm going to end my second round by working half double crochets in the last stitch right there. So this is what you should have at the end of your round 2. So just keep repeating the same pattern by working 1 HDCs, 1 half double crochets in the stitches, and when you get to the midpoint, you remove your stitch marker and you work 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets, and then you continue with your single half double crochets till you end your third round. So repeat the same method for round 4, round 5, round 6, round 7 till you get to your desired size. I'll stop at round 7 and I'll list out the recommended rounds to make for all sizes. This is what I have at the end of round 7. You can see how it looks. Just make another copy to make it 2 cups and you're good to go. So guys, I'm going to show you all the sizes available. This is extra small. This is size small, size medium, size large, and this is extra large. So these are all the sizes and how big or small they look. If you want to make extra large, you work extra rounds you work extra rounds round your bra cup. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.